Adventure TV.
Hi kids, I'm letter A. My name is A and my sound is A. A. Repeat after me. A as in apple. Wow. Now do you know how to write letter A? I will tell you how to draw letter A. Start from the top, draw a slanting line, draw a slanting line. Go to the top again, draw a slanting line, draw a slanting line. Then go to the middle line and draw a sleeping line, draw a sleeping line. This is letter A. But this is capital A. I have a small kid also called small a. Let's see how to draw small a. Make a curve, like a C, like a C. Go up and come down, go up and come down. This is letter A. Yes, this is small a. No, its sound is A. And kids, do you know that letter A is a grass letter? Yes, letter A is a grass letter. Grass letter because it touches the middle lines. Middle two lines are for grass letters. Now you know how to write letter A. Wow! Now let's learn some more about A. A as in apple. A as in ant. A as in aeroplane. A as in arrow. A as in alligator.